Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Coxinha de jaca.
Coxinha de Jaca.
Sei caralho.
Caralho.
Fala família VegetariRANGO, estamos aqui hoje com o perfeito Big Bang, que veio direto de Londres, é o namorado da minha irmã. Ele não é de Londres, né? É de Manchester. Ou Chester.
Nem Manchester.
Ah, tá vendo como que eu sei de onde que é meu cunhado, né? E aproveitando que ele tá aqui, ele vai experimentar hoje receitas brasileiras na versão vegana, receitas típicas. E ele vai me dizer o que ele achou, né? Ele não tá entendendo porra não, tô falando português. Ele mostra... What do you know to say in Portuguese?
Bom dia. Obrigado.
Pombinha?
Bom dia.
What else?
I don't know.
Bom, ele tá perdoado porque eu também não sei falar. Quer dizer, eu falo inglês, mas meu inglês é bem shakespeariano. Então temos aqui para experimentar uma coxinha de jaca, que esse aqui vai ficar pro final, tá? Não adianta nem pedir. Oh, what do you want to try?
Let's go for the...
Feijoada first?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's
Looking forward to this one. So just
Try.
you put this on top, or
It's for you.
yeah, just go for it. I'll put some of this on top.
Remember, this is vegan.
It's vegan.
Yeah, e ele come carne, tá? Só pra lembrar que ele não é vegano, não é porra nenhuma, ele come carne. Então, tem dois desafios aí. É ele gostar de uma comida vegana e ainda brasileira. Let's try.
Okay, let's go. Good.
Good?
Yeah, I like. Let's get some more meat.
Yeah, this is meat.
And what sort of meat is it?
This is linguiça. It's like, how can I say, the meat that German people...
Like a sausage.
Yeah, like a sausage.
Yeah, it's nice. It's smoky. Definitely smoky. It's well, you can taste the beans. The beans are coming through, definitely.
Do you used to eat beans in England?
Not so common. Not so common, the beans. We have beans in like Mexican food quite a lot. But yeah, not so common in English.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I like.
Então, ponto!
It's good.
Então vamos experimentar agora o segundo prato que ele não faz ideia do que seja. Cole, what do you think about this dish?
I have no idea what it is. It looks very unfamiliar to me. It's it looks like it's got some maybe some spinach and some carrots.
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay, I'll go for it.
Espero que ele goste, né?
Oh, try and get a good
I hope you like.
Me too. That's got some strong flavours coming through. It's,
But it seems.
it seems like it should be like a fish dish.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's got quite a strong fish flavour to it. I can taste seaweed. Yeah, it's like a fish curry, I'd say.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'd say it's quite
but
close.
I like it.
Yeah, I like.
Try this.
Okay.
Vamos fazer ele experimentar o palmito, que ele não sabe o que é. Eu acho que não tem lá palmito. Tem
So
lá.
I've got a big,
Não tem lá.
I've got a big piece of.
What is this?
Well, if you didn't tell me it was vegan, I'd say it was a fish. It tastes like fish. Yeah, it tastes like a fish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think there is this in England. The name is, how can I say palmito? Palm tree? Palm heart? Is palm heart?
It's palmito.
Palmito?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard about? Or
Yeah,
tried it?
it's not common. I think it's the seaweed flavour.
Yeah, yeah.
It's tricking to think that because it's seaweed, it's like a fish dish.
Did you like it?
I liked, yeah. I could eat
Então?
that. I could eat a plate of that. Yeah.
Ponto!
Nossa.
Is the other word that you
I know
say?
nossa, yeah.
Nossa.
Nossa.
Eu gosto de piroca.
Il gosta di brioca.
Deixa eu falar isso.
Oh, no, don't say that. No. This is...
Eu peguei no congelador aqui agora um açaí, porque na verdade se eu deixasse aqui na mesa ele já estava derretido, porque gravação vocês não sabem que demora, né? Então, vamos dar para ele experimentar então. Have you ever tried açaí?
No, I haven't.
Do you know what is?
I've heard of açaí. I know it's a berry.
Try.
Let me try. Oh, I like that, yeah, very sweet. Yeah, it's very nice. I like it. Yeah, I really like this. Yeah, I could keep eating this, it's good, really good. The closest thing I could say it's like is like an ice cream or even like a frozen fruit dessert. And
Olha Cleo aqui, caralho. Olha, o que você tá pegando aqui, Cleo? Olha só. Filha da puta, vai lá. Ela derrubou um monte de coisa aqui.
It's similar to a blackberry, but got more, or like a raspberry. Really nice flavor, really nice.
Ponto!
I love açaí.
Dá bom de queijo pra mim.
Tó, vem pegar aqui. Filma.
Já acabou?
Tó.
Não me filma não. Não, acabou o programa?
Calma, mãe.
Dentro, fora.
It's cold.
Vamos então para a última receita, que é a nossa famosa, quase que essa porra aqui, a nossa coxinha de jaca. Ele não sabe nem que coxinha, ele não sabe nem o que é jaca. Então, vamos dar para ele experimentar. Have you ever seen something like this in Brazil? Ele está há alguns dias já no Brasil. No?
No.
He doesn't mind what is inside?
No, I don't know what's inside it. It looks like is it a donut?
Donut?
Is it a donut?
Ah, donuts!
Is it like a sweet? No?
Have you ever encouraged you to try?
I'd try it, yeah. I'd try anything.
Go!
Let me try it, okay.
Okay.
Alright, so it's not smelling like a sweet.
No?
No.
Salt?
It's a savoury dish. Let's give it a go. Yeah. It's doughy. It's like crispy on the outside and like doughy, like a dense bread. And then in the middle is I don't know what it is.
Continue.
Okay.
What it seems in the middle?
Well, it's like a savoury filling. It's got a salty flavour to it, but it's got a texture to it as well, like almost like a meat.
Meat? What
Yeah.
kind of meat?
A little bit like a chicken.
Chicken?
A little bit.
It seems a chicken.
A little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
No idea. It's got herbs in it as well as it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Is
meat?
there any mushroom in here?
No.
No mushroom. No.
It's jackfruit.
What?
Yeah. Have you ever tried jackfruit?
No, never,
Do
never,
you
never
know what
heard
is
of it.
jackfruit?
No.
No. Put on the celular. In Brazil, they call jaca. Say jaca.
Jaca.
Jaca. Coxinha de jaca.
Coxinha de Jaca.
The name of this dish is coxinha de jaca. Jaca is this.
Wow.
It's a big fruit. Como caralhão assim.
Wow.
Say caralho.
Caralho.
They made this dish with green jackfruit.
Okay.
It's not mature.
Use different types.
Yeah. No, it's the same time, but the green is not mature.
Oh, okay. Nossa.
Então foi esse o primeiro experimentando comida. Não sei nem como vou chamar esse episódio aqui, mas espero que você tenha gostado. Did you like it, Carl?
I loved it. It's great.
Carl.
It's close.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Espero que você tenha gostado também. Se gostou, deixe seu comentário aqui embaixo, manda pros amigos do Caralho 4 e...
Feliz no novo caralho.
You said bad words.
I didn't know. Nossa, Flavio.
Did you try some Brazilian vegan foods and you tried this ahada no ar? Have you ever?
No, I've never tried the what? You show me.
Yeah, it's something like this. Vai você agora. Olha.